Hi, I'm Greg from RV Haulers, and this is the RV hauler named Davenport. He's very regal, isn't he? If you would like to see this RV hauler and the opportunity you have to customize it to your liking, join me in this video. Davenport is a 2020 Volvo Model 760. So this is the slightly shorter cab, but still the full height sleeper. And what we have here in Davenport is a D13 engine programmed for 455 horsepower, putting out a torque of 1,850 foot-pounds. Of course, it's got the autoshift transmission, so no clutch on the floor. And what's really cool about this 760 is it also has the table and benches in the back. Now I'm gonna get to the interior in a second, but what I wanna show you is an amazing opportunity we have here because of our CANBed system. I've got a great example here of how our CANBed system, this modular bolt together or apart bed, allows you the flexibility to change the configuration. Right now, Davenport's bed was designed to put a two-door Jeep up here tucked underneath the Overhood CANDrom box. Now at the time of making this video, Davenport is for sale. Davenport only has 480,000 miles on them, this 2020, non-smoking interior, and I have a little bit of a sad story to share with you to explain why Davenport is sitting here and looking for a new owner. Our customers purchased this candidate truck on their own and brought it to us and said, Greg, how fast can you and your team get this RV hauler ready to travel? Their goal was, they were presently facing a little bit of winter weather, and they said, how fast can you get a bed built, get us on the road, get us into some warmer climates, and then come next spring, we'll have you finish it off. Their goal was to take their two-door Jeep with the CANDrom box, to be able to take a whole bunch of their winter accoutrements and hit the road. So we didn't change anything with the driveline configuration. We left it tandem, and all we did was we stretched the frame out, put in the Air Ride ET Hitch in the back, did the wiring, the brake controller, got them their CANDrom box, and they hit the road. The intention was they were going to come back in the spring and we were going to single it. We were going to put storage boxes underneath and we were going to skirt this out. Unfortunately, saddened to report that the husband passed away unexpectedly, and the wife has subsequently asked, because she's chosen not to travel at this time or the foreseeable future, to find a new home for Davenport. And what I want to point out to you is Davenport is ready today. If this meets your mission profile, he's ready to hit the road. Mechanically sound, all the servicing's been done, and hey, you've got enough room for a two-door Jeep, two-door Bronco, or other toys up there that'll fit within that available space. But the opportunity you have is, you have, I would say, 80% of the building blocks necessary to convert this to your own liking. Imagine, if you will, we could convert Davenport from his unskirted configuration to one like yours, where we single it or leave it tandem, we put skirting underneath, we paint match it, storage, it's up to you. The cool thing about the CANBed system is it's modular. So right now it's quite long. If you were envisioning something shorter, maybe like this unit called Heavy Push, we could shorten the rig up, still leave it tandem, change the CANDrom box, put on a taller one, deeper one, a more traditional one that's more 16 inches deep. This one is designed to put a smart car up there. Make Davenport shorter, make Davenport longer, change the axle configuration, change the storage configurations. Everything is modular with our CANBed do-it-yourself system. And there's no rule that says you got to get it fixed right away, right? We're here in the yard. If maybe you want to take a phased approach, take it, travel with it, figure out what you're missing or what you really appreciate and you want to keep, and we'll change the configuration for you. The other option is, with our do-it-yourself system, everything on here I can ship to you and you can do it yourself. If you take a look at the RVHaulerstore.com, you can see some of the pricing of these configurations for adding boxes, or, you know, here in the yard, we can do skirting and paint matching for you as well, at a future date if you so wish. So this 2020 with 580,000 miles on it is still really young. The D13 is known to be really reliable. What I would also point out to you is that we have the option of adding an aftermarket warranty. So I have a warranty that covers the engine, transmission, rear end, the emissions system, turbo, the water pump, the injectors, and the warranty, for example, a 5-year warranty is about $6,000. So what I'm able to do is, instead of having to tell my customers, you always have to look at something new that has factory warranty. Well, I can put an aftermarket warranty on it that has better coverage than the Volvo factory warranty, and it also allows you to take it to any heavy-duty shop in North America to have it repaired. You don't have to go to Volvo. What I like to mention is, say Alaska is on the bucket list and you want to travel to Alaska. You know how many Volvo authorized dealerships are there that repair these guys? One. At the time of making this video, there's one Volvo dealership in Alaska. But as you know, there are thousands of rigs traveling Alaska and North America every single day. There's all kinds of qualified heavy-duty shops that fix these all the time, even roadside repair guys and gals. With the aftermarket warranty, that's about $100 a month. You have peace of mind that this rig will not surprise you with any big bills in the next 5 years. It can extend it longer as well. How am I doing? You know, I'm saddened to know that this couple is not going to be living out their dream of traveling and full-timing any longer. However, I'm very hopeful that someone will, recognizing what Davenport is, which is you've got an investment in the bed, the chocks, the tie-down system, the ramps, even that brand new ET Senior fifth wheel hitch, camera system, and the truck, of course, itself. And you can just tweak this a little bit and get exactly what you're looking for to meet, hopefully, your budget and your travel plans. Let me take you inside and show you what he looks like. So the owners purchased brand new seats and installed them. Let me do a mileage verification for you. I'll grab the keys. So there's the 479, I'll call it 480,000 miles. And we'll take a look at the engine hours here in a moment. When this turns off, 13,656 hours. Cobra CB radio. Hitch camera. Sirius XM and Bluetooth enabled stereo. We've got the ishift controller on the dash. Not on the side of the seat, which is kind of nice for being able to walk past. We've got the original, really nice quality Volvo floor mats that lock into place. Got the full set of Volvo manuals. And behind the driver seat, we have the spot for the microwave. Door with a little workstation table. Freezer, refrigerator, and as I mentioned, it's kind of neat to find one that has the table and benches in the back. So that table folds down flat, those cushions come in to make a lower bunk, and check this out. The upper bunk still has the original plastic on it. Obviously, never used. Factory Xantrex inverter. So when that's on, it activates all of the duplex outlets in the cabinets. There's also one down below there. And also when you connect shore power to this truck, the Xantrex inverter does bulk, absorb, and even down to trickle charging of the batteries, so it maintains them perfectly. Got a fold out TV bracket. There's the netting that goes over the sleeping co-driver, front or back, closed cabinet, and another little cubby on the bottom for your porta potty. I want to take a moment to say thank you. Thank you to you folks that have subscribed to the channel and been watching my videos for over 15 years now. I'm really hopeful that we can find a new home for Davenport. And the other ask that I have of you is, if you've seen something today that you're curious about or you'd like to learn more about, I try to answer every single comment that I can. So please, if you have questions, I'd ask you to pose those down below here in the comment section. Even if you're watching this years later, I monitor these comments and I try to respond to all of them. If you would like pricing and more details and more photos, they're on our website at rvhaulers.ca. I'll have a link down to that listing below. Now, if you are watching this, please go check that website and see if it's still available for sale. I will change the subject line up above if this has sold. In the meantime, I'm Greg from RV Haulers. Everybody, thank you for watching today's video, and please drive safe.